Hey Arsenal fans, welcome back to Let's Talk Arsenal. On today's show, I'm going to be previewing today's most crucial match, that is the semi-final of the Europa League, Villarreal versus Arsenal, the first leg. So I'll be predicting the lineup, the score, and also doing the match preview. So let's get started with today's show on Let's Talk Arsenal. It's Unai Emery versus Mikel Arteta. Good evening versus trust the process. It's the most crucial match for Arsenal this season as we no longer can qualify for Europe through the league, so we must win the Europa League Cup to qualify for the UEFA Champions League. It's as easy as that. We visit Unai Emery's Villarreal at the Estadio delle Cremica Stadium. This will be our fifth meeting against Villarreal in a European competition where we have an unbeaten record against them. If you guys see Villarreal's last 5 games form, it's been like up and down, just like Arsenal, where they have registered just 2 wins and 3 losses. Arsenal fans, I request you, don't underestimate Villarreal. They might be just 7th in the La Liga table right now, but Unai Emery's record in the Europa League is not to be taken lightly. Unai Emery has reached the final of the Europa League 4 times, out of which he has won the final 3 times with his ex-team Seville. Unai Emery can be a real tactician when selecting his lineups and formations, especially in competitions like these where he has the massive burden of winning a competition. So don't be surprised when he selects a different formation. Usually they line up in a 4-4-2 formation with Gerard Moreno and Paco Alcacer leading the line. Samuel Chukwueze in the left wing is one of the most crucial players for them, and he has scored many goals for them, as has Gerard Moreno. So these are the two players we have to be on the lookout against Villarreal. And in the midfield, Danny Parejo is one of the most crucial persons that they have in the midfield that we should be on the lookout for. And in the defense department, there's major center back Pau Torres is the one we should be on the lookout for. So these are the 4 players: Gerard Moreno, Samuel Chukwueze, Danny Parejo, and Pau Torres are the 4 crucial guys to this team. Arsenal and Arteta face a very difficult and a very experienced side in the name of Villarreal, and a very experienced manager in the name of Unai Emery, who's the ex manager of Arsenal. So it's like the battle of current Arsenal manager versus our ex-manager in Unai Emery. The latest Arsenal team news has been a great news for all of us Arsenal fans, as the likes of Aubameyang, Lacazette and Kieran Tierney, yes that's right, Kieran Tierney has been deemed fit for this tie. And this two-legged tie is very crucial for Arteta as the manager or the future manager of Arsenal, as we no longer can qualify for Europe through the league. So we have to win the Europa League by any cost involved. So Arteta has to get his lineup, his form and his tactics absolutely spot on. With that being said, let's get on with the lineup. At goalkeeper, I'll still be going with Leno in the goal. Despite the howler that he had against Everton last game in the Premier League, I'll still be going with Leno in the goal because we need him. And we need him back in confidence for the rest of the season as well. So I'll be going with Leno in goal. At right back, I'll be going with Chambers, as he's been performing really well at the right back position. At the centre back partnership, I'll be bringing back David Luiz and Gabriel's partnership, as they have been the most solid partnership for Arsenal. And at left back, if Kieran Tierney is fully fit after his long injury, I'll be starting Kieran Tierney at the left back position. And if he isn't fully fit for this tonight's match, I'll be giving Xhaka his go at the left back position as always. In the midfield, Thomas Partey is the given choice, and alongside him, Xhaka should start alongside him. If he can't start at alongside him, so Danny Ceballos must partner him in the midfield, and he should be responsible for Danny Parejo because as I said, he's one of the most crucial guys in the middle of the park for Villarreal, and he's the one who is capable of the whole game that the Villarreal play. So Ceballos has to keep a sharp eye on Danny Parejo in the today's tie. In front, Saka, Martin Odegaard, and Emil Smith Rowe start, as they are the three guys Arteta prefers, and they will be ready to go, and they are quite young, and they would have something to prove. So I will be starting these all three guys. And at front, if Aubameyang has recovered from his medical illness, as all the Arsenal fans know, had malaria. So if he has recovered from that, he leads the line as well as the leads our team with the captain's armband strapped alongside his shoulders. If Aubameyang is not fit for the match, I'll be going with Gabriel Martinelli to lead the line, and then I'll also make an adjustment. I'll take out Martin Odegaard from the attacking midfield and give it to Smith Rowe, and I'll bring in Nicolas Pepe on that left hand side. So that will make a much more stable lineup for tonight's match, as we need goals, especially away goals, knowing that our current home form has been terrible and all our performances have been flat at home. So we need crucial away goals in this tie right now. This is going to be a close match. So my prediction for tonight's match will be a 2-1 win for Arsenal with Aubameyang and Saka to score. Prediction for tonight is 2-1 to Arsenal. Obviously, we'll be scoring the 2 goals. Make sure to follow me up on Twitter and Instagram. Links will be given in the description box below. So make sure to check them out and do follow me up. And make sure to comment down below on what you guys are prediction for the lineup, as well as the score line and the lineup. Do comment down below on what you guys think regarding that. And I'll be back with the match prediction, the analysis, and the player ratings in the next video. Come on, you Gunners! Let's go and win tonight's match. Peace.